Otto killed a nurse last night. Rico's dead. So... You were right. Need the guns, bigger game, and the coke to pay for it.
Killing Rico's Jack's making a move to end our deal. Can't let that happen.
We're gonna take him out. And anyone who stands in the way.
We suggest you make your move back to the head of the table before your charter evaporates.
You know, getting rid of Rico ain't about guns or drugs. It's about getting rid of Rico. Charlie's gotten used to all this cartel cash. Jax knows that. Let me speak for